Mia was a white cat with blue eyes. She had a cheerful personality and a love for adventure. Toto was a beautiful green turtle. She was very wise and patient. One day, Mia decided to clean the house. She started by dusting the furniture. But she needed help. Toto came to assist her without hesitation. Mia and Toto began cleaning the floor. Mia spotted hidden spiders under the bed. Toto thought of using a long stick. Together, they managed to clean the corners. After finishing, the house looked beautiful. Mia thanked Toto for her great contribution. Toto felt happy, and smiles were on their faces. They learned that cooperation makes work go faster.